part 2 of the video.
Windmill for the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all, live on your stride. It is taking voting down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land, is everybody in.
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass crack. Play these ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, been repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate, ha 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 ha. We gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink, so don't stop, get it, until you chin it, hit it. Watch the way I navigate.
For the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all, live on your stride. It is taking voting down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land, is everybody in.
Don't stop, get it, deep high captains in it, steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, get it, deep high captains in it, steady, watch me navigate.
Part 2 was mixed your brain release on the most addictive game is called Ratchet Deadlocked. Single play, co-op, and online. 10 players in one room, start the game at any time. Whether 5v5 or 4-2, start the whole game with just the best against the new. During the game, make all the news quick. After the game, check your skill rank very quick. Make new friends using the playlist, or they can shut the fuck up, clean them ignore list. Make a new alt with recurrent planning. As a good account, I shout, what the fuck, mate? These niggas scared to go to the main. After people beat them up, thinking about losing rank. Staying for hours and forget the clock. That's what you get when you play Ratchet Deadlocked. Full body girl, happy, Bonhu Tito, Photo Man, Hottie Monty, Dozen Kid, Join Cause, Iron Man, Series 77, and Pause, Your Piggy, Flash. nigga thing, Zero Echo, Cyber Monkey, Chef Channel 41, Confused Pop Tart, Tice Game, Clash Royale, DFR, Broken Heart, Samurai Girl, Mr. Raider V2, not even close. Zero for 1, 2, 2, Snow Dog, Latin Hurricane, Ratchet Ninja, Same 770, 20 Warrior, Unequal, Crusade, Agony, 4 and 5, Silverman, Dirty Center, Guilford, Defodot, Hit and Turtle Suit, The Real Captain, Fully Wave Tracer, Shelter, Allergy, Yoshi, Red Boy, That Chick, Easter, Asty, it was a backless, the singer, Lurker not sus, when he cannot make a fair cast, that's why he's least, better than Deathmatch, hacking nose, just to be the very best, sniper kill bang, as you get force and conquest, using your skills, shooting people, and then you chill, taking all the kills, and you call yourself the king of the hill, abused with the mag, while you have them on the drag, call them a flag, if you try to go and catch a flag, then bring the kicks everyone, and then the people fled, the guy that has no life, it's OC Pothead, he hate Mr. Fight, cause he think he's racist, leave the account, cause he know that he's a rapist, not hetero, what I mean is homo, know that he's a dodo, shut the fuck up homo, when you see cover box, just ignore him, don't be friends or don't ever trust him, it's his girl, on a Ratchet game, everyone thinks she's tough, thinking that she's lame, until she owns everyone, feels so surprised, then he saw her MySpace, all the guys felt denied, written in red flag, really loved her, till someone finds out the picture wasn't really her, delete all her account, and the guys maybe wanted her, all I try to say is RIP to your girl. This game could be too random, depends on the people, thinking that they're handsome, then we get dieters, and once at first, hear it even talk when it comes to fast typers, then you hear little kids yelling through the mic, think they're all cool while the news niggas so tight, and a friend accepted like it's nothing, but who cares, at least he did something, you knew your friends long, then it's personal, recording all the shit you've heard to the journal, wanna meet your friends, trying to socialize, get to know each other, talking in real life, that could be your future, but I don't know if that happen as you grow up, depends on the way you've been tracking, like I said, this game will make you track the clock, that's what you get when you play Ratchet Deadlocked.